This is Mohammed Farhad. I'm an engineer, and besides this, I'm an entrepreneur. As well as I'm trying to invest in Mir Growth. That's why I have come here today to talk with Mirbhai. And then there are so many nice people come together, an entrepreneur, an investor, and I have seen so many good people out there. So that's why I have a good meeting with them.
Do you have any proposal for me, Mr. Shakeel Ahmad Meer?
Yes, I do have. I do have in my mind, and I'm trying to meet with him. Also, I want to invest some money together, and so we can grow more together. And then because he has a big vision, and I am as an entrepreneur, I have a big vision also. 2025, 2030. So we have a different stages, and I am trying to more business together. And I have my own business as well, and I do have a garments trading company. I do have a car company, and I do have a real estate business together. So I'm trying to make more business in the internationally. So I'm trying to make more business with them. That's why I have a Mir Group, and I think I will get some advice from them. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.